I started recording. So we will see the lab sessions. Okay, this is one of our Windows client server, and here I have copied the Windows AV installation script with the 10 micro deep security module and intrusion prevention. Same script will be available in our client server's desktop as well. For Windows, for installation, we will use PowerShell. Use run as administrator and just to copy the command. First, a deep security agent will be installed. Then it will be activated. As per the policy, we have enabled anti-malware module as well intrusion prevention module. If your customer requested to enable intrusion prevention alone, you can enable. So how many modules in your environment team? Is the all modules enabled?
All modules are on some servers or clients, all modules are enabled.
Okay.
But on the few servers we have not enabled on the IPS and application control basically.
Okay. 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 So when the 10 micro deep security agent installed in the system notifier, you will see the icon. And currently it is still installing, and now only the activation have started. Okay.
Okay.
So hopefully no one facing the issue, right? So everyone accessing the remote session and 10 micro deep security console, right?
Access the remote session.
Okay. Okay. So in the screen, you can come to know that the 10 micro deep security activated successfully. Okay. Okay. So this is the server recently installed with the 10 micro deep security. Okay. So similar manner, kindly go ahead and initiate team.
Just check.
Okay. And I will complete this Windows part, then you can go ahead. Okay. In the intrusion prevention module, in the bottom, you will get the option for scan for recommendation. Okay. So once you install the 10 micro deep security agent, initiate the scan for recommendation as well. If anyone face any issue, please let me know. I will guide you. Hopefully there is no remarks from your end. I hope so. But don't worry about this managed offline. So before it send the policy, when we done the recommendation scan from Run Microdeep Security Console, it goes to offline state and back online. Okay. No need to worry about this offline.
I mean, we are trying to log in. Can you please give some time? Just
No problem. No problem. Take your time. I will wait. Even if you need any help, I can guide you in the remote session. You can share your screen and I can guide you.
Root the bus or root?
root.